Today I want to show you how to use the eazypesa API to send and receive STK pushes on your apps. So what you need to do first of all is to go and browse on your browser payments.easyschool.xyz, and this is the screen that you're going to meet. Then after you reach here, you're going to click on Get Started. So you click on Get Started. After you click on Get Started, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Here, now you're going to enter the business name. So in this case, let me put Easy Mart. So let's enter Easy Mart. So after that, you need to enter your email. For example, easymart@gmail.com. After you've entered that, you need to enter your phone number. Then you enter the password and make sure this password you remember. After that, you confirm the password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click on create the account. It's going to tell you welcome on to eazypesa. You can save the password or even write it somewhere. Now you'll be required to log in. So when you are required to log in, here you are going to enter the email that you used when creating the account. That is, in this case, easymart@gmail.com. easymart@gmail.com. So after you've entered easymart@gmail.com, you're supposed to enter your password, the password that you put in when you're creating the account. Now it is going to welcome you with a very nice dashboard, as you see, which shows you different statistics. Now this one is empty because I've not done any transactions. So what you'll be required to do first of all is to subscribe to the for the services. So first of all, what you're going to do is to subscribe. So you go to the subscription history. So you'll see different packages. In this case, the monthly plan has been set to 1 shilling, but when you're going to subscribe, you will see it will be set to 500 shillings per month. So what you need to do is to go to the plan that you want. In this case, I want to go to the monthly plan. Choose the plan, and when you choose the plan, a pop-up will come that will be requiring you to enter your phone number. So in this case, I'm entering my phone number and send the Mpesa prompt, where you'll be required to pay that amount so that you can be subscribed. So after that, you're required to enter your PIN on the phone and you refresh that page. After you refresh that page, you will see now that your account is already subscribed. So as you see, my account is already subscribed for 31 days. That is now a monthly plan. After you've been subscribed, now what you need to do is to go to the account settings. Now here you're going to do general account settings. For example, setting your business name, changing the password. Unaweka ile password unaweza kumbuka. Now creating putting in the current password, the new password. Also, you're going to generate your API credentials. These API credentials are going to allow you to hook our app with your app so that they can communicate. When the user clicks pay, our system is able to know the user has clicked pay and send the STK to the user. You're also required to enter the webhook URL. Hii ni ile URL yenye system yetu itatumia kucommunicate na system yako in case the user has paid. Let's say, for example, the user has paid. Now we are going to tell you that the user has paid, but through what? Through this endpoint URL. In this case, let me put this as an example. After you put that, you click on save. After you've saved the endpoint URL, now you go to the connected account. Now here, unaweka ile till number, bank, ama pay bill number, which you want the money to be deposited into in case the user pays. In this case, I'm going to put the bank account. So I want when a person pays, they are going to pay money into my bank account. So I'm going to enter my bank account details. That is the bank name, the pay bill number of that bank. In this case, 400, 200, and the bank account number where the money will be deposited into, that is 11 732 67. Now you save the configuration. After you save, now you're good to go. You can now be able to receive money into your account through the STK pushes. Now you'll be seeing your subscriptions at the subscription history here on the sidebar. You see connected accounts, subscription history. Here is where you can be able to see the subscription. You can be able to see customers who have been paying you. You can be able to see all transactions here and their statuses. You can also be able to test the payments. So you have up to 20 tests. You can be able to test the payments before you start. For example, let me put my phone number, put the amount, and send the request. So you see here, the black side is the backend. This is what the backend will be processing. But on the user side, they'll be able to see an STK push, whereby they'll be required to enter the pin. When you enter the pin, pesa inaenda direct kwa account yako ile uliweka kwa connected account. So if you want now to integrate this system to your app, let's say you are a developer, you want to integrate this system to your app, what you need to do is to go to our documentation, whereby you'll be shown how to link your till number, to turn on the description, to get your API, and to send the request to the user. Now we have also shown you how you can use CURL, PHP, and Node.js, examples of how you can integrate our API to your system, so that when a person clicks on pay, they'll receive an STK push and money will be deposited directly into the account that you set on the connected accounts. The documentation explains everything step by step, how you're going to do, how you're going to receive feedback from eazypesa. That is it. So let me show you a live example. Let's say, for example, you have an app whereby the user wants to buy something, and when they buy something, they need to pay on Mpesa. They're going to receive the STK push. So let me use this test one. Let's say the user has bought a product that costs 1 shilling. So they'll be required to enter their phone number so that they can receive the STK push. So this is the app on the user side. The middle one, the black one, is the backend. I'm just illustrating how the backend will behave. And this is the phone of the client. So they enter the phone number and they click on pay. When they click on pay, you can see on their phone, you can see the backend has now sent, the backend has sent the request, and on their phone, you can see the STK pop-up. Now, when they receive the STK pop-up, they'll be required to enter their PIN number so that they can pay to enjoy your services, or maybe to get your products. After they have paid, your system is going to be notified that they have paid. That is how easy is it to use our API, and your dashboard will be recording all the payments. Thank you very much as you enjoy using Easy School API, or we can call it eazypesa. Easy School. Easy School.